Hey, Ryan from Modula Racks. Going to do a quick review of the SeaSucker snowboard and ski carrier. We have the standard old school one here. Old school I mean by the clamshell, but this is their new guy here where the boards just basically slip in. I'm going to take it off the window here and we'll mount it to a car outside, show you how easy this thing works. So we've got the boards out and we've got them just sitting on the car here. You can mount these anywhere. We're going to mount them on the trunk. You can mount them on the roof here as well, but we might put a cargo box on here while we're at it. Always make sure you take a little water and a cloth and just make sure the area you're going to put it on is clean, because any little grit and grime could cause those vacuum mounts not to stick quite properly. Always good too to take the bottom of these, just make sure they're clean, and a little squirt of water is not a bad idea. You don't have to go this far. I've done these lots without it, but this is the way they say you should do it, so it's the way we'll show you it done. Stick it on the car, pump up the vacuum until the orange is gone, and then that's on there. We'll do that with the second guy. Then it's just a matter of putting the boards in, which I'll go grab from inside. All right, we got the kids' board, we got my board. Hopefully I've put these things in a position where the bindings will fit okay. That looks okay there. I might have to reposition here. Well, that'll work. Basically, you got a little pad on here just to protect your edges so you don't cut the stretchy cord. Make sure it's in place. Pop your lock in. Same thing on the other guy. Pop your lock in. And that is all it takes to put snowboards onto basically any car. So the nice thing about this is I could take this off of here, and you can see the Forerunner over here where we have another set of SeaSucker ski carriers. I could put them on the roof if I had this car at home. In all reality, you could even take it and, I don't know, put it on the hood of that truck. Maybe we'll try that just for fun. But this guy, another question that we thought about was, can you fit 4 boards on this SeaSucker board carrier? And the answer appears to be yes, if you have folding bindings. Every board's probably going to be different, but we've got 2 in this side right now. We've got 1 in here backwards. We'll fire this other one in front, and then find our straps, which are buried between bindings. So again, yeah, this thing will work so long as your bindings will clear as a 4-board ski carrier on just about any car you can imagine, including a Miata. All right, so we decided we weren't going to stop at the snowboard carrier on our Miata here. We're putting a set of roof racks on. We may have to adjust this a little bit. We're going to see if we can fit a cargo box on here as well. So, full drift car to, I don't know, ski mobile? Stay tuned. All right, so the answer is yes. With SeaSucker roof racks, you can put a roof rack on anything, including a Miata. Now, while the cargo box does look like it's about to take off to space, I don't know, there you go. That's what you can do. Cargo box, 4 snowboards on a Miata. If it only can fit 4 people, they'd be ready to go. All right, so we're gonna just switch out a board here for a set of skis. Make sure the skis work as well, which they're said to do. But this snowboard carrier is a brand new product from SeaSucker. I think a bit too close together. Yeah, there we go. Now, if you look over here, this is probably going to be a little bit too not tight, basically. So what you can do, you may not be able to see very well from your angle, but you can pop this strap out, And you can feed it through another hole here. And then this, that still won't be tight enough. So, what do we do? Do we wrap it around or do we put it on the other one? Try it over here. And that's going to keep them in there. And then we just wrap completely around. I guess probably just the full wrap is what we're going to do on that. We don't need to protect the bungee cord from any edges because of the skis. So there you go. You are in. So skis or board will work for either one. This is a brand new product from SeaSucker. They just brought it out this year. Yeah, if you got any questions about it, let us know. We're always happy to answer, and thanks for watching.